7 essential tips to become a real estate millionaire. You want to be a real estate millionaire? Not a want, an obsession. You think it's about luck, timing? It's about outworking, outsmarting and out-hustling everyone else in the game. Most people are content with average, settling for scraps, while the real money is made by those who are hungry, who are relentless. This isn't a hope for the best business. This is about taking control, dominating the market, and writing your own damn paychecks. In this video, I'm giving you the 7 essential tips that took me from nothing to a real estate empire. We're not talking about theories here. This is about actionable steps you can take right now to start your journey. Get your pen and paper ready, because I'm about to drop some serious knowledge that can change your life. Knowledge is power, and in real estate, it's your greatest weapon. You wouldn't jump into a boxing ring without knowing how to throw a punch, would you? Same goes for real estate. You need to understand the market inside and out. What are the trends? Where are the opportunities? What are the risks? Don't be afraid to invest in yourself. Attend seminars, read books, and network with successful investors. Find yourself a mentor, someone who's already achieved what you want, and learn from their experience. This isn't a time to be passive. Absorb everything you can, because the more you know, the more money you're going to make. Listen, I'm all about massive action, but even empires start with a single brick. Don't get ahead of yourself thinking you need to buy a skyscraper right out of the gate. Start with something manageable, something you can learn from. A duplex, a small apartment building, a piece of land. The key is to get your feet wet, to gain experience and build your confidence. Remember, every deal you do, every tenant you manage is a lesson learned. These small wins will fuel your growth and prepare you for bigger and bolder moves down the line. Forget appreciation, forget flipping, forget what everyone else is chasing. In real estate, cash is king. You want properties that spit out cash every single month like a money printing machine. This means finding properties where the rental income outweighs the expenses. Do your due diligence, analyze the numbers, and don't be afraid to walk away from a deal that doesn't meet your cash flow criteria. Remember, you're building a portfolio that generates passive income, a river of cash that flows even while you sleep. Chapter 4. Use leverage. The rich don't play by the same rules as everyone else. They understand the power of leverage, of using other people's money to build their wealth. Mortgages are your secret weapon in real estate. They allow you to control a larger asset with a fraction of the cost. Now, I'm not saying go into massive debt, but be smart, be strategic. Use leverage to acquire more properties, generate more cash flow, and accelerate your path to millionaire status. Chapter 5. Buy low, sell high. This isn't rocket science, folks. The name of the game is to buy undervalued properties, add value, and sell for a profit. It's a simple formula, but it takes guts. It takes vision. Look for distressed properties, properties that others are afraid of. See the potential where others see problems. Then roll up your sleeves and get to work. Renovate, upgrade, and reposition the property to maximize its value. Remember, you're not just buying a property, you're buying an opportunity to create wealth. Chapter 6. Be patient. Real estate isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, it's a marathon, not a sprint. If you're looking for overnight success, you're in the wrong business. Building a real estate empire takes time, it takes dedication, it takes unwavering commitment. There will be obstacles, there will be setbacks, but you cannot afford to get discouraged. Stay focused on your goals, stay disciplined in your approach, and be prepared to play the long game. Remember, the greatest rewards go to those who are willing to persevere. Chapter 7. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. That's a recipe for disaster. Instead, diversify your portfolio across different property types and locations. Explore residential, commercial, industrial real estate. Look beyond your backyard. Consider investing in emerging markets. Diversification mitigates risk and protects your investments from market fluctuations. Remember, a well-diversified portfolio is like a fortress built to withstand any storm. Ultra, take action now. You've now been handed the blueprint, the roadmap to real estate millions. But knowledge without action is useless. It's time to stop dreaming and start doing. The market waits for no one, and neither should you. Take that first step, make that first investment, and never ever look back. Remember, you're capable of achieving anything you set your mind to. Now get out there and dominate the real estate game.